Hello treasures, welcome back to my channel. I hope you all are doing great. Thanks for stopping by. In today's video, I'm going to share with you a simple and quick way you can roast your own groundnut or peanuts at home using your oven. Let's get started. Oh, we have already started. I've already started by selecting the groundnut. I'll be calling it groundnut. Groundnut we call it here in Nigeria. So I've started by selecting and picking out the bad ones. After that, I'll transfer to a bigger bowl or a pot, anyone you want to use, and then we're going to blanch it. And I'll do this by adding some salt to it. I've just added about a tablespoon of salt. Add salt according to the quantity you are using, and then I'll go ahead and add a boiling water to it. Mix the salt together as in stir it so that the salt can circulate, and then I'll cover it and leave it for about 10 to 15 minutes. This will blanch it. After 15 minutes, our groundnut is well blanched and ready for the next step. So I'll take it out from the water. I'll pass it through the sieve. I will leave it in the sieve to drain water for some minutes before I'll transfer into a tray. I'll then transfer the groundnut into a tray and take it out to the sun to dry. You can also leave it under fan, it will also dry. Blanching it like this helps the groundnut to be crunchy after frying, and it also helps the salt to soak into the groundnut. You get what I mean? So after about 2 hours, our groundnut is well dried. Now we can roast it. So the next step now is to transfer into my baking tray and roast in the oven. If you don't have oven, you can also roast it on the stove. I have different videos of how to roast groundnut. I'll leave the link in my description box below. You can check it. I have where you can roast with a where you can roast your groundnut with gari or salt. I'll leave the link in my description box below. After about 20 minutes in the oven, I stirred it around so that it can evenly roast, and then I'll leave it again for about 20 minutes, and I'm roasting it at 180 degrees Celsius. After about 40 minutes, our peanut is ready. You will know that it's done when you can easily peel it off when you can easily peel off the skin. When you try it, you will know that it's roast. You can also test it. I was testing it to make sure that it has roasted to the stage I want, or become crunchy as I want. So when it cools down a bit, I'll start peeling off the skin. You just peel off the skin this way, as I'm doing on the screen, on your screen. When I'm done peeling the groundnut, the next step is to blow off the skin. You can do this with fan or with your mouth fan. You can also do this if you have an air fryer. I've seen people blowing off the skin with the use of their air fryer. So I'll now blow off the skin, and here we have our groundnut ready. This groundnut is very sweet and crunchy. And here we have our roasted groundnut within 3 hours without even stress. Yeah, So I'll go ahead now and bottle it. And you can also make this for sale if you're looking for a small business to start. Roasted groundnut business is a very lucrative business. You can sell in the bottles or tie in a nylon like this. We have come to the end of today's video. Thank you all for watching. I hope you enjoyed watching. Please don't forget to like and share the video. Until I see you again in my next video, remain blessed and safe. I love you all. Bye bye.